Hello everyone. So welcome to this series of C++ from beginner to advanced. Today in this lecture we are going to see identifiers and data types in C++. So let's begin. What are identifiers? Identifiers are names. Everything in this world has some name, right? So these names are nothing but the identifiers. So using these names, or I can say using these identifiers, we can declare variables, functions, classes, objects, etc. So what are these variables, functions, classes, objects? We are going to see in the subsequent videos. So there are some rules for defining this or declaring these identifiers. So the first rule will be identifier must start with the letter or underscore. It should not contain uh, start at the starting. It should not contain special character or number. So I have given two examples. Uh, the first is the correct example, and the another one is a wrong one. First line in the correct identifiers, string my name, string underscore my name, string my underscore name are the correct identifiers. Where in the second line, wrong identifiers, string 5 street underscore name or string $street name are wrong identifiers as they are starting either with the number or with a special character. Next rule is identifier cannot be same as keywords. So there are some keywords which are predefined by C++. Those cannot be used as a identifier. Identifier should not have space for string my space name. This is not a valid identifier as it contains the space. The last one is identifiers are case sensitive. Int capital X and int small x are different data types in C++. What are data types and why do we need data types? So the first reason is to tell the compiler what type of data is being used. So whenever you declare any identifier, you need to tell the type of that identifier to the compiler. So to tell that, we use the data type. The another reason we can say is to allocate the proper memory in RAM. Okay? Whenever you execute your program gets some memory. To allocate that memory, we need data types. Another reason would be to tell and or to perform the correct operation. Tell the compiler to perform the correct operation. For example, int a equal to 5 and b equal to 10. And if you add these, as these are of int type, they will get added. Similarly, if you declare them as a string, for example, string x equal to high and y equal to there, it will not add, it will concatenate as the type of data is string. So there are different types of data types. First is data types. Those are given by default. So here are a few sample data types like int, char, float, double, long, boolean, string, which are defined in the first column. And in the second column, amount of space required to store this type of data. For example, int type of data requires 4 bytes, char type of data requires 1 byte, float requires 4 bytes, etc. etc. So these are the primitive data types. There are non-primitive data types and their user-defined data types we will see in the subsequent lectures. But here is the list of derived data types and user-defined data types. So in the derived data types, we have array, function, pointer, references. And in the user-defined data types, there are structures, columns, structures, classes, and unions. So here is the list of keywords in C++. So these are few basic keywords which we use in our daily C++ programs. There are few more keywords in the C++. We'll see them in the subsequent lectures. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.